I bet you didn't know this, why you miss someone who hurt you. Here's the blunt psychological truth. You don't miss the pain, you miss the dopamine highs created by their inconsistent affection. This is called variable reinforcement. It's the same mechanism used in gambling. You never knew when the next win, the next sweet text, the loving gesture, the moment they were finally good to you was coming. When the win finally landed after a period of withdrawal or pain, your brain flooded with dopamine. It was an intense, powerful high. You became addicted, not to the person, but to the chaotic rush of validation. That feeling of missing them, it's your brain demanding a fix of that unpredictable chemical rush. So next time, understand this science. Recognize that stable, consistent love doesn't give you that artificial spike. Choose peace over the rush. Choose stability over addiction. Follow for more psychological facts.